Hey guys, welcome back and happy October. Today I'll be showing you how to do this pink and black spiderweb makeup look. Also, I just got my nails Halloween, so I'm feeling nice and festive. And yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start by doing two pink eyeshadows in my Morphe palette. I'm gonna play around with these two shades. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty pink, and I'm gonna move on to the spider webs. Alright, now I'm gonna use my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and let's make some spider webs. I'm gonna start off with some like winged liner first, and then go to the web action. But somehow holding my hand here helps me like balance, so I guess whatever works. Alright, I think it's looking nice and spider webby. So now I'm gonna add some more pink shadow around the spider webs. I'm gonna use a smaller brush this time and just add some pink shadow to like some of these little lines. Alright, I'm going to add a bit of that pink to my nose as well, just to bring it a bit more together. Cute! I like the pink nose. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit of highlight to the nose and the eyes. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Also here. Alright, that's adding a nice little highlight. So now I'm going to go in, I'm going to touch up a few of these black spiderweb lines, just make them slightly darker. Alright, now I'm going to do the lips. I think I'm just going to do like a nude pink color so it doesn't distract too much from the eyes. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in Pillow Talk Fair and line them out. Now I'm going to fill that in with my Pat McGrath Labs in Naked Seduction. It's like slightly more brown than I was thinking. I thought it'd be more like a lighter pink. So I'm gonna add a bit of something lighter on top of it. I don't know if that did much, but I think it's okay. And I'm gonna add a bit of gloss. I'm gonna use this Sephora glossed in Strut. I kinda wanna add a bit of this to my eyes. Maybe I will. Yeah, I like it. I think that makes it pop a bit more. Nice and glossy. Yeah, I'm liking that. Maybe a bit here too. I mean, it'll be sticky, but whatever. Time for some pink contacts. These are from the brand Uniqso. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I will be back. Okay, so I popped in the contacts and I also added some fake eyelashes. And I am loving these contacts. I think they're so cute. And that's all for this look. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in my next video. Bye!